Is it on? Tuk tuk tuk.
Today will be our first attempt at English speaking video, so bear with us. We are going today to change the back seat, or at least half of it, the back seat of our E-Class 211. I was searching for a video how to remove the seat on the internet, and I couldn't find. There are a lot of clips on how to unlatch properly the back seat of the estate, which is actually pretty easy. I will show you now. You have to start at the passenger side. You pull that handle and you lift the seat, then you unlatch the back seat. Why start on this side? Because the how is it called? The trunk cover is attached to the bigger portion of the back seat. So if you start on the other side, let me show you what happens. If you start on this side, you start pulling, and the trunk cover is still blocked by that part of the seat. And what happens is most often the handle breaks, just like this one. You see, it's broken here, and actually this is the reason we are doing the whole shebang, the whole operation today, because this piece is not sold separately, and even if it is, I don't know how to disassemble it, because it goes here below, and what I got is the whole piece, the whole seat, for about 15 euro. I got a really good deal on it from a junkyard, about 15 euro. I'm sure that I couldn't even think of getting that handle, let alone original one, OEM one, for that price from Mercedes. So what we'll do today is we are going to remove the old one and place this one, which is, as you can see, in pretty good, almost mint condition. All I've done is just clean it a bit, and here we are. So we continue with the seat disassemble. We lift up this thing here, and if you latch the seat and you unlatch it, the front seat is going to move ahead, so you have the space to do this. This is if you have a memory seat module. So both parts of the seat are attached here, and there is a cover, a plastic cover, that you only need like a flathead screwdriver just to like pry open these two parts here and here, and you can just pull it out. And now we need I think that's torque 30.
Torx.
Let's see now. Yeah, what's the beat? And as you can see, both seats are held just by this like latch. So what we have to do is to remove the seat from here, and then here we have like a pin that we have to slide the seat that way, and we have to disconnect those two cables for the sensor, for the latch sensor. And we can try do it now. I think those are behind this cover here. Yep, they're here, and you just pull this thing out. There are the both cables. There are no tabs, you just pull it away and it goes. So let's see now. Okay.
Няма лок те.
Има.
Няма ли лок?
Има синичък, да. So now
Turns out you will have to pull quite far on the right, because this is really long. This is about, let's say, 10 centimeters.
4 inches
4 or 5 inches.
for our
Yeah.
guys in the US. But yeah, there are no tabs or screws or anything. You just have to pull it out, like twisting and pulling.
Twist
and
and
it-
shout.
Yeah, and it goes out. So yeah, we will now mount the new one and put the headrests.
Go on.
And don't forget to screw on the belt, because you know,
Safety is important.
yeah, kids' lives matter. I think not.
Готово.
Is it in?
Ох,
Okay. Connectors first. final step, mounting the
Headrest.
headrest. Let me put the trunk cover. And that's it. We are ready. So, we are ready. Blood, sweat and tears. Without tears, we have disassembled and assembled successfully the back seat. I got indications on the dash that both pieces of the back seat are latched, so that means we have connected properly the cables and everything is in order. So yeah, the next step will be trying to disassemble the latch without breaking it on the old seat. And thank you for
Out of curiosity.
Thank you for your attention. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below the video and we will try to get to you more English speaking content. Peace.